Hello and welcome back again to Crypto Hasi mga boss, no? For today's video, we'll talk about these Octo Tools, the number one stop shop in terms of finding a good KOLs and meme coins and earn more with the meme coin, guys, okay? First things first, after you sign up, you will see the dashboard right here and then the overview of the sum KOLs, total KOLs groups, Octo feed, total calls, and then added in the past up to 24 hours. Also, it has a leaderboard and community challenge just to make you happy, guys. Okay? So, tutorial, Octo Tools, algorithm, meron. So, free phase, Octo Feed tournament, and referral program. Okay? You can also continue with Prime or something like a VIP if you want to, guys. No? So, first things first, let's go to main and then dashboard, guys. Okay? So, Octofeed, ayan. So, dito makikita natin yung mga KOLs. Okay? You can find a different KOL here. You can also search here, guys. Pwede kayo mag-search ng KOL username, ticket name, contact address, minicap, maxcap. Okay? All here. No? So, may kita nyo dito, halimbawa for Bochi Place, no? So, may kita nyo dito yung quick overview about this KOL, guys. Mentioned by this KOL, mentioned by all KOLs. Ayan. So, history, timeline, KOL stats, available din dito. No? So, all-time win rate, 63.9% losses, 36.1%. No? Kung ito yung mapipili, medyo pangit siya. So, 63.9 losses na siya. Holder distribution, this is great, guys, kasi makikita mo dito yung mga holders. So, first 45 buyers analysis, Sniper for hold 3 only. Sell part 5, sell all 34, and buy more 1. Number of status 2 lang, no? Total bought by Sniper is 24.57. Total bought by all 45 first buyers is 53.46%. Very nice. Now, so first 45 buyers analysis yan. Also, volumes. Let's check the volume, guys. Buy and sell volumes. Also available here. So, KOL calls. 1 lang. So, parang ano to? Medyo pangit, guys. Yeah. Okay, and then security alert also available here. Oh, not that all, guys, no, kasi meron ditong tournament na nagaganap din sa mismong Octo Tools, no. Ito nga tournament, ayan. So, welcome to Octo Tools Community Tournament. No, so virtual budget to place calls. Please distribute them smartly between your calls. You will have 3 to 5 max calls to make a per tournament. So after making a call, follow your calls in the leaderboard to close the call whenever you think it's right. No, so calls that are not closed during the tournament will be automatically closed when it ends, fixing your profit or loss that moment. So the tournament is a great chance to learn how to trade meme coins with Octo Tools, have fun, and win prizes. So please read the full tournament rules carefully. We will need to approve them at any updates before each tournament, guys. You will see the leaderboard right here, guys. Okay, so leaderboard, all of them, like this ones, the top one, they will get a $167 USD, 134, top 1 to top 5. Okay, if you are on top 6, you will get no, wala kang makukuha, guys, no. So top 5 lang pala. So earned balance, ayan, no. Kailangan mo dito sumali sa pa-tournament na to. Okay? So, balik tayo doon sa dashboard or sa Octofeed, guys. No? So, ano pa bang meron dito? Also, they have a deck screener and then post source, guys. So, yun lang yung makikita nyo dito sa Octofeed. So, makakatulong to if gusto nyo makapag-earn on meme coin, guys. Okay? Ayan. So, again, you can pick your KOLs here, no? Halimbawa, eto, si Degens Journal. So, quick overview. Ayan, makikita nyo dito. So, ito, goods to, guys, no? Ayan, so, history timeline. So, meron siyang history timeline. Unlike this Bochi Place, walang history timeline. So, KOL stats, very nice din. Ayan, so, achievement per call is times 1.182. Pero yung loss niya ay 64.6%. So, holders distribution, check natin. Buy more, sell all for 64. Oh my God. So, total bought by all 71st buyer, 73.07%. So, parang hindi siya totoo. Buy and sell 55%, ayan. So, ito, guys, yung pinaka-chart niyan. Nakita mo din dyan agad-agad. Okay, security alerts. May kita mo na rin dito lahat-lahat. So, verified token siya. Okay. So, leaderboard, community challenge, meron din dito. Ayan, so Iron Challenger, so $25. No, so think you consistent, lucky, a silent killer. Now's your chance to prove it and get rewarded for more than just winning a single tournament. The community challenge is a new layer of competition where your performance streak and style of play can earn you real rewards and special recognition. So whether you're dominating the leaderboard or just sneaking your way up quietly, there's a challenge here for you. Ayan, so challenge name. So Iron Challenge, so participate all month. Place top 5 at least 3 times. Make profit on 8 to 10 calls, so $200. Positive ROI of on 8 of your last 10 calls. So back-to-back top 3 finishes, $300. Ayan, top 3 in 2 consecutive tournaments. Consistency is king. So for 100 guys, wow. So top 5 in consecutive tournaments. Lucky 7 star, no, $500. So climb the podium, $750. And perfect streak, so $1,000 yan, first place in 3 tournaments, guys. Okay. And if you want to join to the tournament, guys, let's wait for the announcement. Now, there is no currently active tournament. Follow announcement and look for the flashing tournament icon to enter. Ayan, guys. So, kailangan merong parang nagka-flash yung crown na yan. And then, doon natin makikita kung merong tournament na nagaganap. Okay? So, back natin yan. And so far, wala. Non-tournament is happening, guys. No tournament is happening right now. But if you want to join, just click the tournament and you can just trade right here, guys. Okay? So I think that's all for the Octo tools. I hope I give you a lot of information about this tool, guys, that will help you to earn more on meme coin, guys. So again, bye-bye.